What's up, YouTube? O'Ryan, I'm checking in, baby. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to change the lamp bulbs on your Mercedes C300. You hear me? Y'all see we doing a little oil change right now, but this is video to show y'all how you replace these here, right there. So I'm gonna start by yeah, this here T20. I'm gonna loosen these here bolts right here. I got one right here, one right there. You gotta remove these here clips. And I got one bolt right there and a few right there. So I'm gonna remove those and cut you on and let you know where we at, baby. Okay. I got all my clips removed. So I'm gonna try to pull this off of here. Something dropped. We figure out what that was. Disconnect this here light switch. Put him to the side. Now you got your button. You got a little handle. Let's see what we can get up off of here. The handle, you see, gotta slide in. You just connect your little button here. See that? Now we got some excess. I think our bulbs is. I think our bulbs up there. So next I'm gonna remove this here trim right here. Let's see what to do. Let's see about removing this here trim. See what's going on. You see them orange, the clips. You must got one right there. You see that one right there? It should be all of them. Should be all right, gang. There we go. Y'all see we got the trim removed. I did put some silicone on these lights, but we should be able to work them, get to them right here. I feel them. You just gotta unplug them. Right there, unplug them and push them out. So let me do that. Grab the new ones, and I'll cut y'all back on, baby. Y'all know the hints for now, huh? I'm about to send that thing over to the paint shop. Wifey said she want her car back. Y'all talk to me. Let me know if you think I should give it back to her and ride the SF, or start riding that old money every day. Y'all let me know, gang. Huh? Yeah. Well, look, gang, I'm about to, cause I remember these here wasn't locking in on me. So you should be able to just get them out like so. Just gotta get that plug out of there, or disconnect the plug, and you know what to do after that, baby. Y'all see, sometimes it just take a little patience. I heard a little clip break, but we got new lights, so let me get that out of there. My highlights are here. Yeah. Alright, gang, so this is what we had going on here. I thought I had 4 LED bulbs, but this actually the original housing. But this is what we was running, just these regular bulbs here. So we're gonna pull these out, and the new bulbs that we got, they're gonna just plug right in to that. Throw these over there, just in case I need it, you hear me? But instead of using these, I'm gonna show y'all what we gonna use, baby. Oh, changey. All right, gang. So these are our new daddies here, baby. So they got the seal on there. You just gotta push them in there, clean that up, push them in. We should be Gucci. So I'm gonna clean that up and get these plugged in, get this all back together. And y'all will see what it's looking like on the old C300 wife on back. I might have the C363 that swapped this thing now, huh? Talk to me now, baby. Oh, yeah. All right, gang. So I do have them plugged in. I think you see these hook cans snaps. The other ones, I forgot how they was on there. I think I might have broke the snaps. So I don't think we wanted to shine like that. We probably wanted to go this way, huh? Right? Towards the license plate, right? Instead of shining out. So we're just gonna lock them in there. Stay tight, gang. Stay tight and go in there, baby. Gotta go down a little bit. Let me mess with it, see if I can get it going, gang. And I'm gonna cut you on in a minute, baby. Y'all know how we do it. We check first, and then we verify. Let me see what's going on with that, gang. That's too low. Can't add that. All right, gang. So I did have to fight them in a little bit. What I had to do is kind of get the side clips in place, and when it was tight up top, just push down and push forward on the thing till it locked in place. So I'm gonna get this here cleaned up before I lock everything down, but y'all see how it's done, baby. So you ain't gotta take all this off like a lot of people be saying. You just need enough room to get up in there. That's it. Put them back together and you're done. Holla at me. I'm gonna teach you some stuff over here now. Go around, all right?